In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and edit time tracking in Jira. Designed to streamline your project management, Jira's time tracking feature helps maintain workflow efficiency by allowing you to log and monitor the time spent on various tasks. To get started, ensure you're logged into your Jira account with administrative privileges, as you'll need them to adjust these settings. First, navigate to the Jira settings. This is usually accessible via a gear icon located on the upper right corner of your dashboard. Once you are in the settings menu, find and select Issues from the sidebar. This will direct you to numerous options that pertain to how you manage issues within Jira. Next, locate Issue Features within the Issues settings. Here you'll find Time Tracking. Select it. This section is critical as it facilitates the configuration of time tracking services specific to your organization's needs. You'll notice an option to choose a time tracking provider. Click this and you'll see a few choices. Jira provides its own built-in time tracking option, which is usually sufficient for most teams. Alternatively, if your organization has implemented the Forge time tracking provider, you might choose to select that instead. If you're uncertain which provider to use, it's best to consult with your team or test both to see which best suits your needs. After selecting your time tracking provider, scroll down until you find the Edit Global Settings button. Select this option to adjust your time tracking configuration. This part is essential for setting up your preferences according to your organization's working habits. Here, you will set your default preferences. Begin with setting the working hours per day and per week. This sets the standard for how time is measured across your projects and tasks, which can significantly impact reporting accuracy. Think carefully about your organization's typical working schedule as you fill this out. Next, select the default time format, whether you prefer to track time in minutes or hours. Choosing the right time format can simplify processes for your team, especially for those accustomed to tracking time precisely or more rounded estimates. Then specify the default unit for time tracking entries. Usually this will align closely with the time format you've chosen. This selection will define how time logs are entered and reported across all tasks. Finally, after you've carefully set each of these parameters, locate and click the Save button to apply all your changes. Remember, if you ever need to revisit these settings, just follow these steps again to adjust them as needed. By fine-tuning these settings, you can harness Jira's time tracking capabilities to help your team stay on track and maintain productivity. Thank you for following along, and I hope this setup helps your team better manage their time and projects.